Y'all come with me while I install these sexy sheep lashes for the first time. Baby, they is beautiful. I like it. They fluffy. Okay, let's see what this do. Here we go. Now y'all know, I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first time. But we're gonna figure this out. Now, how is this supposed to go? Is it supposed to go long, short, or are they all supposed to be the same size? Cause I don't know. Well, here we go. We're gonna figure this shit out. All right, so this is the first part. It says bond, and then this how I seal it. So let's get it cracking. I don't know if I'm putting too much, but all right. So that's the bond. This better be easy like they made it look. I ain't lying. And don't mind my lace. I need to fix that. Don't come for me, okay? Don't come for me. You're supposed to be helping me figure out how to do this. Wait a minute. I know you lying. Did it really just go on that easily? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I know you lying. Yeah. What the fuck? Oh, I should have been doing this a long time ago. Wait, how can I do this to see? How y'all be just doing this so fast? Baby. I done became an esthetician. Ain't that what you can do lashes? Ain't that what they call? An esthetician. Whatever, that's me. Cause y'all see me fucking this up, right? Y'all see me doing this. I'm doing my damn thing over here. Y'all look. I'm just tapping it on there and it's just like for real life staying. That's it. All right, so step 2, let's seal this. Do y'all see that? It ain't moving. It ain't coming off. Baby, sexy sheep. Baby, they don't owe me nothing. Cause this here, I'm loving it. Let's cure my fit montage, okay? Look at them lashes. I did that. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.